guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and go over all of the products that I use to clean out the interior carpet of a car. I just recently cleaned my mom's car. It was absolutely a tragic mess, lots of stains, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I clean that carpet and how I make my homemade carpet extractor. So let's get into this video. The first thing that I'm going to go ahead and show you is this is the box from my drill brush set. I got it on Amazon. I want to say this was maybe $20. I'm not too sure, but it sure as heck beats hand scrubbing. So what you go ahead and do with that is you just go ahead and put this on your either cordless. Mine does have a cord drill. There's different sizes. Let me show you the head, but this is the one that I used on my mom's car. You have this head here, this guy, and this guy. It does come with a manual. Each brush and setting and bristle stiffness does different things, but this is what I go ahead and start my car off with this big brush. But the other thing that I wanted to show you, you can use a regular garden hose, but in my video what I did is I go ahead is this turbo jet. I got this little attachment from Target. It was $20. It's an as seen on TV device, and to be honest, it works amazing. But for a homemade extractor, you don't even need this. You just need a plain old garden hose. But I do really like this. To make the cleaning solution that I'm going to be using in this video, I just take an old empty jug like this. I go ahead on the empty jug, add 1 full scoop of Oxi Clean. I do 4 tablespoons of this Palmolive. Any dish soap will work. I like this one because it has Oxi in it. You're gonna go ahead and take 6 tablespoons of Windex or any other cleaner as long as it has ammonia in it. Then you're gonna take 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. And then you're gonna fill the rest of your jug up with the hottest water you can possibly get. In this video, you'll see me go ahead and squirt it all over the place. And that's the solution that I use to clean my carpets. And that is the brush and drill that I use in this video as well. So if you wanna see amazing results with these products, watch till the end. Okay, so when you are vacuuming up, this is the part of the video where I'm making my own carpet extractor. Just drizzle a little bit of water right in front of your shop vac and make sure your shop vac has the wet filter on, and just go over all of the carpet. Sometimes you have to do it twice, but you want to make sure you get all of the soap up off of the carpet. And honestly, unless you flood these carpets, they will not get clean. Don't be worried if you get too much water in there, it will dry. The other thing that I was going to go ahead and say is that I did do the entire car, but just for video purposes, I didn't want it to be extremely long, but I did all of the interior of the car using the same process as I showed before, but I just didn't want this video to be super long, but I hope you're enjoying it.